In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DNS settings in GoDaddy. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's up, go to the search bar and type in GoDaddy. Hit enter, and you'll see GoDaddy's official website pop up. Go ahead and click on it. After arriving at the GoDaddy homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. Look for the Sign In option, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, or if you have two-factor authentication set up, follow the necessary steps to secure your login process. After signing in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, find the Domain Portfolio section. It should display a list of all your domains. Scan through your domain list and choose the one for which you want to reset the DNS settings. Click on that specific domain to open the Domain Settings page. In the Domain Settings area, you'll see various details and options for managing your chosen domain. Look for the section labeled DNS. It's crucial because this is where you'll make the necessary changes to reset the DNS. Click on the DNS section to proceed. Now, within the DNS settings, you'll need to focus on the Name Servers section. You'll likely find a button labeled Change or something similar, allowing you to modify the current settings. Click on this button to bring up more options for configuring your name servers. Here's where you have to decide on how you'd like to handle your domain's name servers. GoDaddy provides a couple of options. If you're not using any specialized DNS settings from another service, selecting GoDaddy name servers is the recommended route. This choice enables your domain to use GoDaddy's default name servers, making your DNS management straightforward and all in one place within your GoDaddy account. However, if you have custom name servers provided by another service, or if your domain is connected to a specific third-party service that requires its own DNS settings, then choose the option to Enter My Own Name Servers. After you've made your selection, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it. Confirming your settings ensures that the new DNS configuration will take effect. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take time to propagate, so don't worry if changes aren't immediate. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, depending on various factors. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to reset your DNS using GoDaddy. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your domain's DNS settings are configured correctly and efficiently, all within just a few minutes. Thanks for joining me today.